Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for your patience. Waiting for this video. Holidays got me all messed up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this light, pretty glam for New Year's Eve. So I'm going to start off by prepping my skin with the Sulwhasoo. I don't know how to say this, okay? I'm just going in with their hydrating mist. And then I'm going to prep underneath my eyes with the Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift. I'm going in with this color corrector by Clinique. This is kind of new. It's a little bit more sheer. I've been using the Ben Nye one, but this is nice. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I'm gonna go in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This product has literally changed my life. If you haven't tried this, you have to get it. It's incredible. So I'm hitting all of the high points of the face where I want everything to be dewy. And then I'm just gonna go in and blend this out. So I just wanna create like a little bit of a glow underneath the foundation. I'm going to use the contour sticks by KKW Beauty. This is in the shade medium, and I'm going to go in before my foundation and warm up the face. I'm kind of doing a little bit of bronzing beforehand, and now I'm going in and doing a little bit of contouring with light medium. I've been experimenting with this method lately. I'm using this little like foundation brush by Morphe just to like blend it out. I like it because it gives a lot of detail. For foundation, I'm using the Born This Way foundation, and I'm starting off in the places where I didn't place any of the bronzer, and then I'm kind of going to blend over top. So I'm focusing this to begin with in the areas where I don't have any bronzer, and then I'm gonna lightly blend over it. So hopefully we'll have a little bit of the glow and the bronze come through. For concealer, I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm obsessed with this. It's just like a hydrating version of Tarte Shape Tape. It's perfect for winter. So I'm hitting all of the high points of the face, and then I'm using the sponge by Huda Beauty to blend that all out. And I like to take whatever's left over on my sponge up onto my eyelids to prep for my eyeshadow. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Super Brow. This is in the shade light medium. And I think this is just like a little NYX brush. So it's super affordable and it works really well. I've been using this like crazy. I'm going to go in and set underneath my eyes with the Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. I like to go in with a tiny bit more concealer just to make sure that I'm really brightening that area. And then I'm just going to go in with a small amount of that powder to set the rest of my face, as well as my crease. I'm going to do a little bit of baking with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake. And for eyeshadow, I'm going with the Chill Baby palette by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to start off with this light, kind of mauvey shade, and I'm going to start really lightly building this up in the crease. This is going to be a super light and easy eye look. Basically, the whole focus is going to be on the lid. Now I'm going to pick up a slightly darker mauve and just build up the crease a little bit more. I'm using the same brush. Again, it's going to be super simple. I just want to have like enough definition in the crease so that it doesn't look like totally flat, you know? Now I'm going to grab this liquid eyeshadow by Morphe. It'll be listed down below. I can't remember what it's called. And I'm just going to be placing this all over the lid. And then I'm kind of buffing it using the applicator up to the crease, but I don't want to take it too high. Now I'm going in with this glitter by BH Cosmetics. Again, it'll be listed down below. And before that Morphe shadow sets, I'm going to be placing the glitter over top. So it's going to kind of like the Morphe shadow is going to act as a base for the glitter. And that way it's going to last forever. You will not have to worry about your eye makeup coming off. All right, I'm going to dust away the baking powder. And then I'm going to go in with the continuous setting spray by Morphe just to make sure that I set all of the powders in place. For my lower lash line, I'm starting off with that light shade that we went into the crease with, and I'm just going to be buffing this lightly all along my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with that slightly darker mauve shade, and I'm focusing this closer to the lash line and then making sure to connect it up. For my waterline, I'm going in with the, I think it's Glam Glitter Highliner. This is by Marc Jacobs. It's basically just like a glittery silver liner, but it'll be listed down below. Now I'm using this black metallic liner by Maybelline to create the wing. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Golden Gal bronzer just to warm up the face a little bit more. And now I'm going in with this blush by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to be focusing this mostly on the apples and then kind of blending it up into my contour. I'm going to be placing this Makeup Forever Starlit powder in my inner corner. And then again, I'm going to go in with that Morphe spray and make sure that everything has set. For my highlighter, I'm using the Iridescent Light Beam by KKW Beauty. And I'm just going to be hitting all of the high points of the face, basically where I place that Charlotte Tilbury. Now I've been using soap lately to set my brows, so I'm just spraying it with a little bit of Fix Plus to get it wet. You can just use water, and then that's what I've been using to set my brows, and it works so beautifully. For mascara, I'm going in with Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And then I'm popping on the House of Lashes Iconic Light Lashes. To line my lips, I'm using Hex. This is by Melt Cosmetics. I'm basically going to line my lips and then kind of just like feather it inward because I want to go in with a gloss. And then to finish off the lips, I'm going in with this super glittery gloss by Too Faced. It's really beautiful and it's super creamy. The name, again, will be linked down below. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you recreate it, please tag me so I can see, and I hope you have an amazing New Year's Eve.